Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, August 16th, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. We've been talking about a little bit of a shift in the market, and today I'm going to show you some numbers that show that, in fact, we are seeing that shift that we've been talking about. When we look at our new listings this week, they're up 8.6% to 367. So we're seeing a little bit of increase in the new listings. And also, when we look at the inventory overall, number of homes available for sale, that's up 2.2% to 835. So we're seeing a little bit of increase there. So let's look at the trends overall since last May, though. The green line is the number of homes available for sale, and you can see that clearly has been increasing slightly week by week. The blue line is the number of new listings. Those are not increasing. So what's going on there? Let's look at that and see. The answer to that question lies in the number of new escrows, which shows our buyer activity. While it's up 9.4% this week but compared to last week, the overall trend since May shows a different story. Let's look at that. These are the trends of new escrows since May, where we had 278 new escrows down to our 187 for this week. So clearly, the increase in inventory is clearly attributed to a bit of a softening in the buyer activity. And the reason for that, for most buyers, is the market just got so overheated and so competitive, and a lot of the purchases were discretionary. So many of the buyers decided to just sit out on the sidelines a bit and see if the market would soften a bit. And it looks like that may be happening now. Our closed transactions this week were down just almost 1% to 235, and those closed transactions are tending to really mirror the reduced buyer activity that we looked at just in the previous slides. Our price reductions were down 8.4% this week to 120. So again, a little bit slightly elevated price reduction number, well above that 90 to 95 range we were seeing earlier in the year. So what's happening? What will this mean for our selling prices? Well, this week they were up 6.8% to 586,026, but they've been below that 600,000 range. So let's look at the long-term trend with the pricing. We can see we were up above the 600 range, actually 638,000 back in May, but that number has been trending slightly downward since then, and we've been bouncing around between that 580 and 600,000 range in the average selling prices. We're seeing a little bit of softening of the prices. They're not dropping, but we're not seeing that rapid escalation that we had been seeing earlier in the year. What does that mean for the market? Well, if you're a seller, it's still a good time to get your home on the market because inventory is still near record lows. So call me at 760-625-7229. Let me talk to you about our awesome marketing plan that will get you maximum exposure and our strategy for getting you the best price in this market. If you're a buyer looking for a home, start your home search on our website at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. We've got an awesome home search there. And of course, if you want to look at all the charts for this update, you'll find them every week at www.themondayminute.com. So thanks for joining me, and come back every week for the Monday Minute.